Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, we are becoming a channel of unboxing videos, not by choice I might add, but it's what's happening, hopefully not for much longer. But this unboxing video, you've already seen a lot of stuff to do with this game, or this series of games. We have a lot more to come. But first, let's start off with one box from Mythic Battles Pantheon, in fact. This Cthonian Wrath. Now then, what do we have on here? Let me get my reading glasses on so I can actually read this time. Yes, let's just zoom in a tad. There we go. Autumn is looming, and its arrival coincides with Demeter's growing resentment and rage. She seethes as she watches her daughter Persephone slip through her fingers to spend the next seasons in the underworld. Accompanied by her champions, she sets out to confront Hades on Olympus, unaware that he has once again rallied the ruthless Erinyes to his cause. I don't know who that is. Erinyes. I don't know that name, but we will find out. Let's open up the box and we can... I don't want to slice into the box, I want to slice the cellophane. So I'm having trouble with that one. There we go. So let's rip the cellophane off and then we can get into the box and have a look at these lovely models. Because with Mythic Battles, with all of the Mythic Battles ones, we get lovely, lovely models. So this is one of the expansion boxes and one of the extras that we get with the latest Mythic Battles offering, Isfet, which is the Egyptian version of the game. So I went in with this for everything new. So we've got all the Isfet stuff to open. We have 2 boxes for Mythic Battles Pantheon and 1 box for Mythic Battles Ragnarok. We'll start off with this one. So let's get into the box and see what we have. Here we go. So first off, we'll pop that on there. And I'm going to change glasses again because these are a little too close. And my normal glasses will probably suffice. So we have this. And for some reason I've got it in French. I'm going to have to get in contact and see if I can get the English version. Hopefully it's not all in French, because if it is, they've sent me the wrong language out. But usually they send both English and French out. And it's odd that they haven't this time. So are these both... Let me again change glasses because I want to make sure. Yes, it's definitely, yeah, one side. Oh, these are double-sided, so you've got one side being English and one side being French. So we have these things that we break open. And we've also got a set of these stack clips, and these clips are the ones that go in here with these. Let me show you before we go any further. They will go in there and slide up and down. On the back we have these little rubber things that just slot in and hold it a little more securely, one on either side. There we go, so it doesn't fall out. But yeah, that's how that bit works. I said, going to have to contact them again to let them know that I've only got the French version of the mission for this, and I could do with the English. I hope this is the only mistake that is made, or the only thing wrong with this. I will be very upset if it's all in the French, because I don't speak French. And I'm hoping that I don't have to contact them for every single thing and get everything, get all the French stuff or get all the English stuff sent over to me. Can't understand the reason why all this is not in French when every other... Sorry, I can't understand the reason why I haven't got the French and English when all the others were in French and English. But never mind. Let's open these cards and see what's going on with these. I've had these a while, to be honest. Ali was still in hospital when I got these, and they've just been sat waiting for me to open, and I've not had the heart to open. But here we go. Arinia. So I'm presuming this is some form of harpy. Here we go. So we have all of these. Okay, so we have the character cards, then these are French, and these ones are the English. So we are getting the English and French cards. I've just not got the English mission sheet. So never mind. But yeah, that's what we do. These are the Art of War cards that you get for each character, and these are your character sheets. And again, the character sheets, one side is French, the other side is English. There we go. So that's that. But we aren't here to look at cards, are we? Really, to be honest. We are here to look at a separate set of dice that we've got as well. These are the 10 pack of dice, and they're quite greenish coloured. It's an extra set. Really nice die. Turquoise coloured with the swords on it and the blank sides. Really nice. They're lovely to hold in the hand, lovely to throw, and they look good as well. But that's only a quick look, because let's face it, you've seen dice and you've seen Mythic Battles dice before. What we need now is the minis. We have two minis. First mini we will look at is Arinia. Lovely looking mini. As I say, I'm presuming a harpy. Looking at the feet there, the wings, definitely must be a harpy. Very nice indeed. And then Demeter. This is quite heavy, this one. She's there with her sickle and her staff. Absolutely beautiful. The ears of corn there. All these details that go into Mythic Battles miniatures. Beautiful. And the leaves with those little lines in it for the veins. I can't see any trace of very serious mould lines, or no trace of flashing at all. They can do it, why can't every other company? I love these minis. So there we are. That is the first lot of the first set of stuff that I've got for Mythic Battle off from the Mythic Battles Isfet Kickstarter, and it's not for Isfet, but hey, doesn't matter. In the box at the bottom we have the English one. Oh, found it. That's nice. Yes, so we've got this, and to be honest, I think our French speaking brethren who play this game, if this is the quality that is coming out of Mythic Battles for the French, I would be incredibly disappointed, because if you look side by side, very, very blurry for the French translated pieces, whereas the English is incredibly sharp. So I don't know what's going on there. It seems to have a shadow behind it, which makes it slightly blurry and not as easy to read. But this sounds callous, but to be honest, I don't really care because I don't speak French. So it's useless to me in the first place. And that's the only reason I'm saying I don't care, because it's not a problem for me. But it may be a problem for people who do speak French and want to play this game, and if that's the quality of it all, which I'm hoping it's not, and it's very unusual to have that, I hope for their sake it's not all like that. But there we are, Cthonian Wrath for Mythic Battles Pantheon, one of the expansion boxes that we have through the Mythic Battles Isfet campaign. We'll be opening another one soon. Join us then. As always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.